When I was younger, everybody would be walking up and down this high street on a Sunday night, and they might have a couple of coppers. They wouldn't have a couple of bob because they'd be skint after the Saturday night. And it was like Monkey's Parade. And then if you had fourpence to spare, you'd call into Brachis or Piazzani's and have a coffee or not a coffee, you couldn't afford a coffee. Maybe a glass of sarsaparilla. I'd had a glass or two of beer when I was about 16, 17. But once I started boxing, I didn't indulge at all. Even on the Christmas time, my mother wouldn't even have a bottle of sherry in the house. And cards, playing cards, so they were out. Dare not have them there. The old county school used to be by here. And just behind there, my grandfather, my mother's father, was going home on horseback, and I don't know whether some children frightened the pony or what, but he came off the horse and he had a heart attack and died. Just up the road by here. Climate-wise, it's an overcoat warmer down in Merthyr. Or they did say overcoat warmer from the Bont to Dowler's Top. This is typical Dowler's weather, only I can remember worse. In 1947, ponies, you'll see a lot of them about now, cutching up against the walls and each other to try and keep warm, covered in snow, and they froze to death against the walls. They were just a block of ice. The farmers, of course, are just like the animals. They are hardy themselves. The conditions are hard, and I think being brought up with it, together with the hard work they've done in the past, I think gave us something. From 1950 until about 63, I was doing my road work around here regularly. The sanatorium is in that direction there. And I remember people dying with TB outside the wards and lying there in weather like this, a damn sight worse than this, because we had about 8 feet of snow in some places then. And I'd say, come on, you better come out and run with me, you know, trying to give them a little lift. And they'd be outside in this weather, covered up, except for their face, which are out in the cold. And they reckon that cold weather would cure TB or help to cure TB. Anyway, a week or so after that, they'd all passed away, gone. When they say about fighters and why does Merthyr produce so many? And I think it's because of the volatile nature of the weather and everything else. Our rivers rise quicker than anywhere else. And there's something about it which makes it tough. You see these ponies around it today and the people feeding them. Well, it's something I did for years, up here, apart from where I live down in Collishaw.